Welcome to Section 1 of our Snapchat marketing video training. In this section, we'll show you what Snapchat is and why you should use it. We'll show you how to install and set up your Snapchat account. Also, we'll give you a quick Snapchat tour and overview. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What is Snapchat and why should you use it? What is it? Simply put, Snapchat is a mobile messaging application used to share photos, videos, text, and drawings. It's free to download and use, and it has become hugely popular in a very short period of time, especially with young people. It was created by Bobby Murphy, Evan Spiegel, and Reggie Brown when they were students at Stanford University. In one of their classes at Stanford, Snapchat was started as a project. Its first name, Peekaboo, was intended for users to communicate using images that were short-lived. When Spiegel displayed the product idea in front of his class as a final project, the classmates were unwilling to accept the idea of temporary photos. Eventually, Murphy was included in the project to write the source code for the application. Peekaboo was first launched in July 2011 from Spiegel's living room. 2 months later, the application was relaunched. This time it was named Snapchat. It matured into a mix of private and public content and messaging, containing publications, brand networks, and live events. On March 29, 2016, Snapchat released a new update with new features. It added the auto-advancing stories feature, which feeds all videos sequentially, rather than in an on-demand setup, as in previous versions. Why should you use it? Businesses using Snapchat are obtaining excellent results from their campaigns. Snapchat is different from the other major popular social media sites. For that reason, it can feel intimidating, and some marketers are unsure of how to connect with their audience, how to use the platform, and the types of content they should be using. It definitely provides new ways to connect with a target audience, and that's because, in part, to its success. The benefits of marketing on Snapchat are huge. Some of them are, it's different. Snapchat stands out among the other platforms because it's different. You'll be able to reach your audience with a new type of content in a new way. Truth be told, this can be a challenge at first, but it also represents a big advantage. Less competition. It seems like every business that's ever existed has a presence on major social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. It can be really hard to get your content to stand out from the competition. That's where Snapchat comes in handy, because you'll find less competition than on other platforms. Also, this platform is quickly increasing in popularity. You can reach a new audience. What every brand wants is to actually reach an audience. If you want to target an audience never targeted before, or that has been difficult in previous attempts, Snapchat could be the tool you've been looking for. CNN has been trying to connect with millennials, and it was a difficult audience for them to reach. With Snapchat, they achieved it, and it was better than using their own site. Even if you want to reach the same audience, you can do it in an additional way. It feels authentic. Generally, social media sites are excellent places for building a harmonious relationship with an audience. Snapchat truly adds to this feature of social media marketing because it's more directed at what's happening right now. You can edit your photos with filters to make them outstanding as well. By using Snapchat, you can actually display the look of your business in a new way, thus highlighting the parts most relevant to your targeted audience. It's free. Even though it isn't the feature that should entice you to start using Snapchat for marketing, it's good to know that you have the option of taking advantage of this free platform. In recent years, Snapchat has experienced growth in their user engagement and activity, well enough to capture the attention of businesses. Shocking facts. Snapchat has 100 million active daily users. 86% of Snapchat's users fall in the 13 to 37 age range. Snapchat receives roughly 8 billion video views per day. Snapchat users share 9,000 snaps per second. On any given day, 41% of adults in the U.S. under 35 years old spends time on Snapchat. 54% of Snapchat users visit the app daily. 63% of its audience is 18 to 34 years old. 11% of internet-using teens, ages 13 to 17, use Snapchat more than Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Vine. Millennials, a demographic marketers are spending 500% more to reach than all others combined, account for more than 7 out of 10 Snapchat users. 71% of Snapchat users are under 34 years old. Roughly 70% of Snapchat users are female. 30% of U.S. millennial internet users use Snapchat regularly. Ireland is the top country for Snapchat usage, based on percentage of use by adults in each market. 50% of male college students share selfies on Snapchat. The number is higher in female college students, 77% to be precise. Snapchat reaches 11% of the total U.S. digital population. More than 25% of UK smartphone users are on Snapchat. In Norway, that number goes up to 50%. Snapchat's daily video views have increased 400% year over year. 60% of all smartphone users are now on Snapchat. Snapchat reaches 11% of Americans. More than 20,000 photos are shared every second. As of March 2016, Snapchat is valued at $16 billion.